Hello, we are going to talk today about printing in Lightroom. Lightroom has a lot of great features, including being able to print what we call a contact sheet, which is a sheet of images all on one page so we can see and look at them pretty quickly and make our decisions from there. As I've always mentioned, the photo's not done until it is printed, and this is a great way to get that started. So we're not going to start in the print module. We'll actually start in library, and I'm going to select a number of images here. Let's just say about 8 to keep it nice and even. So these nice images that I took over at Sutro Baths in San Francisco. And once I selected all of them, we do that by holding either the first or last one we want, and then selecting the first or last one we want while holding down Shift. It selects all of those. We're going to go over to print. And usually you won't see it like this immediately. You'll actually see it kind of like that, where it is just one page on an image. We'll get that bigger so that it fills up the whole page. This is great when we want to print the final image, but we don't want to print the final image just yet. So what I'm going to do is I want all of our images on just one page. And I'm going to do that by up here on the page grid, select 2, and then we're going to select 4 columns. Actually, let's do that the other way. We want to maximize the amount of space we're using on these piece of paper. And it may look like they're all the same, but I took a bunch of pictures all at once. Once we have that, we're making sure that it's rotate to fit. If I wanted to, I could change my cell size. I could also change the space in between. If I click on here, it's going to show some guides. These aren't the actual guides. Excuse me. These won't show on the actual picture, but just help you to see it. We're not going to turn on any watermarking because they look bad, but I am going to turn on photo info right here so that I know the file name of our images, and when I print these out, I know how to print them, or which one to print. The important thing here under color management is that it's usually going to be managed by printer. We don't want that. What we want to do is select the type of paper we're using. So let's see, I am going to be pretending that I am using this Epson Legacy fiber paper. Very nice. We can switch in between perceptual and relative for our uses. It's not going to change that much. This profile basically tells the printer, hey, what we're printing should look like this paper, and it makes adjustments along the way. We're going to go down and hit printer from here. And I'm not actually going to print anything, but we're going to make sure that all of our settings are correct here, and then we will hit print, and that is how we print from Lightroom.